Hello everyone and welcome to Raimondo Lee Motors. So I'm Raimondo and today we're going to be doing this drive through a place called Boughton in Nottinghamshire. We're going to start not far from where the old pit used to be. Boughton basically borders Ollerton, which is a town, and this is drive number 10 already of 2025. So I really enjoyed making them and I hope you enjoy it. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. So there's no in-car commentary at this point, but I will be adding it in when we arrive at a church in around 3 minutes. And then from the church we'll be heading back through Boughton up to Wellow, and then we're heading to Eakring, and that is where the video will end. So I hope you enjoy it. Once again, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. So I'm just going to let it play out and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. And then see what that road looks like. Okay. I think it makes more sense, doesn't it? Just down this road anyway.
Yeah. You walked it before the wrong mail.
No, we haven't. Okay. Oh, look. It's American. Sure. Service.
Why?
Rattling on engine. Can use oil. Alternative option. Hey, that in there, don't want to
So it's quicker.
I know, but I mean, I need it's not a very good picture. You've got that. This is in way in.
Yeah, I know, because you can zoom it in when you edit it.
Well, I know, but you lose quality. I want to see what it looks like now.
It's back to church like to park at.
Where?
Down this road in a minute. That's not.
Where is it?
It's on the right.
Eh?
It's on the right. The next turn on the right is a church.
That'll be me. Well, here? Down there?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll look if you want.
It's you got a couple of space caches on there.
What, down here?
Yeah. The church on the corner. It's pretty tall as well.
Oh, I've never been down it. Well,
Walk down that way, basically.
alright. So much room to get through there.
No. You're right, my side. There's a car park down there, but you want to park where there's the most amount of room, don't you, really?
Well, should I try the car park? I can park there, can't I?
Yeah. Well, it's just as twisted, but you could park the curb there, couldn't you? I guess.
I'm on about here.
Yeah.
Actually.
Yeah, there's a bit more room here, isn't there? Yeah. Because basically, we're here, look.
That's just car park. Right guys, so we've got a bit of low light, unfortunately. But what we're going to do now is we're going to drive back through Boughton, and but depends where we're going, shall we? Are we going to that one at Ollerton, or do you want to carry on going to the one at?
One at Ollerton's very busy.
Yeah, we'll go to the other one, then I'll drive through Wellow. So at the moment I haven't got my mount, so we're driving through Boughton. I say the light's really low, the sun's really low, so difficult, but I wanted to give you some perspective if you're from the Boughton area in the past and you want to check it out. Not too bad when the sun goes down a little bit. But yeah, I've got a plan to buy a new mount for the car. Hopefully I should get that in the next week or two. So for any future drives we do. So today's just going to be Boughton only. The next time we come, we'll go through Ollerton town centre. So this is a continuation of the drive that we had coming into Boughton. And the plan is we're going to drive up to Wellow. And then should be in theory up to Eakring, and that's probably where I'll end it. So the mine here used to be on the right. You've got Pit Woods on the left, car park there, and a lovely walk if you're ever in the Ollerton Boughton area. And Ollerton Colliery was on the right, just up here. It's now, as you can see, new build houses on the right there, and that'd be, I think, one of the ways in to the colliery, or that'd be where the railway sidings were, and the rapid loading machine was over that way. And I know why. I'll tell you why I know that. It's because I actually, when I was 14, went with my granddad and had the day on the rapid loading machine with all his old work colleagues. They were sort of getting towards retirement and they got put on the rapid loading machine, and yeah, I was invited down for the day, so I had a day down there with them. Sadly, they've all passed away now, all gone. But yeah, good times, good memories. And my granddad was a lifelong miner, and he worked at the mine all his life. I think he'd be shocked if he seen what life was like now to what it was back then. So you used to be able to go straight on here and then head to Rufford Abbey, but now you can't anymore because the block's tough due to the silly people driving too fast through Rufford Ford. So yeah, so now we're going to go into Wellow. I've done a video on Wellow before on the other channel, so worth checking that out. You can see a little walk that we did around Wellow. Small little village, but it's beautiful. And we're turning right here because we're going up past the Maypole. The Maypole pub there is on the left. And straight ahead of us there is the actual Maypole. Might be ruined slightly by the low sun. Like I say, I do have plans in place to sort this problem out with a proper mount, which I'll stick in the top corner or on the dashboard, because my dashboard in this car is actually flat, so I might be able to do that. There's also the option of there's a magnetic one, a Lenzy one, Shelley. It's £10, but I've got to get it through AliExpress. So I'll have to do it through AliExpress to get the magnetic one. The magnetic one's apparently really good, it sticks onto the car really well. But I'd only use it going low speed. You know, certain places, through a village, perhaps I'd use it. Country park, something like that, but I don't think I'd be brave enough to drive down roads. I've seen people doing it, driving down roads, but yeah, so if anyone's got any advice on a magnetic mount for the car, please tell me in the comments, because I've looked at about 5 different ones, and I've either got to spend a lot of money on a magnetic mount and then not have one for in the car, or I spend a decent amount of money and get a good one for in the car and then buy that cheap Ulanzi one for out of the car. Now, I know people are going to say to me, don't go for the cheap option on the outside of the car, but the Ulanzi one magnetic mount actually looks pretty good, it gets good reviews. Can't get it any other way though than through AliExpress. I don't know why. Whereas the actual in-car man, I can buy it through Amazon. So this up here is what I've always called the pyramid. Something to do with the waterworks. When I was a kid, I used to walk up here with my granddad. He was mad, my granddad. He used to make me walk all the way up here. Can you imagine it? So my granddad used to, like, when he was not working on his shifts, would have me going for a walk, and he'd say, "Come on, we're going to Eakring," and then have me walking all the way up here, up this lane from Wellow. We won't necessarily walk back this way, but we certainly walk this way. We did the whole circuit once from Eakring. Down there's a private lane you can walk down. Around that private lane, past Duncan Norvell's house, into Rufford Abbey, and then back home. And then sometimes we'd go through Rufford Abbey to Duncan Norvell's house, up to Eakring, and then from Eakring, he'd have us walking down here, down this lane, for this long walk. And if you're not sure who Duncan Norvell was, he was very famous in the 1980s. Whoa! He stopped. Oh, what he's doing? Actually, I think it's actually the way to get through there. That was one of them styles. Jumpy gate. Shell's just called it a jumpy gate thing. Oh, you jump over it like a horse.
Like a human horse, yeah.
Well, they are designed. They are designed. I don't know if they're designed for horses or not.
I think so. You can't gate bikes, so you can just
Probably. I don't know. No idea. Oh, there's the path that we used to go sometimes down there. It used to take us down there sometimes, but not all the time. Depends if you want to go to that pub up here. Yeah, it's car spot. Oh, yeah. There must be walking routes around. I wonder if you can get to Rufford from there. Oh yeah, I should have done that. No, man. No, it can't be. You can't be for public show because look, there's another one there. Unless you. No, I don't know. There may be.
Some sort of service. It's like field. It's not like public field. You know, like where you go to Brackenhurst and it's public field.
Open farming, you mean?
Yes.
Yeah. I think what she's saying is open farming. You can do. In this area, there is actually open farming. Well, it's not actually here. It's a few miles away from here. Alright, so now we're coming up to Eakring. Done a video on this area as well, and you have Montpasson's Mount, where Montpasson used to give his sermons. He was from the village of Eyam. He was the actual priest in the church when they had the plague, where the song Ring a Ring a Roses comes from. Ring, ring a roses, a pocket full of posies, a tissue, they all fall down. And yeah, when he was getting older, he came to Eakring. He was actually supposed to be going to Rufford Abbey, but they didn't want him doing sermons there. They didn't want him anywhere near anybody, so they sent him on top of a hill called Montpasson's Mount.
Pretty close to Laxton.
Yeah, we're not far from Laxton village, are we? Alright, so now we're in Eakring. And there's a place here called the Daffodil Tea Rooms, which you can get a nice cup of coffee. 200 degrees coffee. I do like a 200 degree coffee. Hot coffee, that's how I like it. And this is pretty much where I'm going to end it, folks. So I'm just going to stop here a minute. And I'm going to end the video here, so I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That'd be absolutely fantastic. So thank you very much for watching to the end. If you have done, I really appreciate it. Please remember to check out the playlist, and if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. There's going to be lots more content coming. Thank you and goodbye.